professional airshow pilot of 30 years, John has flown more than 1,000 airshow performances. He has flown high-ranking military in several events, including airshows at Edwards Air Force Base, MCAS Miramar, NAS Port Madrid, NAFL Central, and Vandenberg Air Force Base. In addition, for the San Francisco's 50th anniversary of the Golden Gate. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the basic maneuvers that you will see John fly is what are actually taught to the students as they go through an advanced training flight. Only the students are not permitted to do these maneuvers under 5,000 feet. And I'll show you why that is imposed. First of all, of course, for their safety. The SNJ is a heavy airplane. It weighs about 5,800 pounds. It's powered by a 600 horsepower engine. But it is very, very unforgiving when it gets low to the ground. So, complete expertise is needed to fly this airplane. The maneuvers that the students are taught this low to the ground. John Culver in the beautiful War Dog. Now, the way that the War Dog name came, actually the phonetic symbol for W is whiskey. The D is Delta. But this comes from a long, long line way back of the Walt Disney World of cartoons. Walt Disney was given the name of all of the aircraft that were based at El Toro at one time. They all carry the WD. Well, we call it War Dog instead of Whiskey Delta. And this